To the right. To the middle. That never happens, huh? It's funny because Dad's day is usually Tuesday nights. Megan's usually here on Wednesday mornings, and your Thursdays mornings. On the rare occasion, I know you guys will cross paths, so. I see you, Carrie. You're my pleasure. What are you guys doing this weekend? Anything fun? Can you say that one more time?
We have nothing this week.
Wow. Wow.
My oldest has swim.
Okay.
Saturday, but that's it. That's just in the morning. So.
And hopefully they'll take a nap after, right? All the swimming. Family naps. Hi, Vicky. Good to see you. We missed you on the other day. What was it? Wednesday's usually your day. Monday.
Foster dogs falling out of the sky. Anybody want a Great Pyrenees? A lot of them. This boy is good. He's only a year old.
Okay.
Dog. Needs a family.
I'm gonna stretch you out a little bit, okay?